International Literacy Day takes place on September 8 every year to raise awareness and concern of literacy problems that exist within our own local communities as well as globally. International Literacy Day was founded by proclamations of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations or UNESCO in 1966 to remind the public of the importance of literacy as a matter of dignity and human rights. International Literacy Day bring ownership of the challenges of literacy back home to local communities where literacy being one person at a time. Although much progress has been made in improving literacy rates in the more than 50 years since the first International Literacy Day, illiteracy remains a globally problem. There are thought to be more than 750 million adults around the world who cannot read. The scourge of literacy spares no nations of culture, no earth, including the United States, where an estimated 32 million American adults are illiterate. What exactly is literacy? Merriam-Webster dictionary defines literacy as the quality or state of being literate, educate, able to read and write. Because you are able to read this post and no doubt spend a lot of time reading online, it may seem incredulous to learn there are people living and working in own community who not only cannot read this post but are unable to read a book, a restaurant menu, a road sign, a voting ballot, an instruction manual, a prescriptions bottles level, or a Kirel box. Can you imagine navigating modern day life without the basic ability to read and write? Whipping out illiteracy in every local community around the world is what International Literacy Day is all about. International Literacy Day was first conceived at the World Conference of Ministers of Education on the Eradication of Illiteracy, held in Tehran, Iran in 1965. The following year, UNESCO took the lead and declared September 8 as International Literacy Day, with the primary purpose being to remind the international community of the importance of literacy for individuals, communities, and societies and the need of the intensified efforts toward more literate society. 1 year later, the global community accepted the challenges of ending illiteracy by participating in the first International Literacy Day. Literacy is a blessing often taken for granted. Reading is essential in our daily lives. Navigating thoughts the world without being able to read or write is challenging and is a blockade for experiencing so many things. On International Literacy Day, organizations and individuals take charge and use their literacy to encourage the assist those who are facing difficulties on how to read and write. Students and employed people volunteer to tutor children in the community. Books are generously donated to libraries, and student tuitions and learning are sponsored to launch their lifelong success. Institutions and governments and international organizations campaign for literacy at the grassroots level as well as host think tank and discussion forums and strategies and implement the best policies for the eradications of illiteracy. They also host fundraisers for the cause. A theme is set for International Literacy Day every year, which is used as a way to build awareness around specific issues.